travel the world with you, 'cause I know where you'd go, and I know you've wanted to since I let you close. And I see the water as we fly to Rome. If we have a daughter, I'll make sure she knows. That we are only young, but we hope that we're enough. We were so surprised with all the things you taught us, until the day arrives where you don't fit in my arms. I only hope you grow up knowing that you are loved. She said I'd wait, I said I'd stay, as long as you marry me. I would travel the world with you. You just have to ask. Perhaps we should plan it through. With 3 seats I lost, and I feel the water as we run our bath for our 3-month-old daughter, who's just learned how to love. And time is moving slow, but you've been growing so fast. And you were born with eyes that help us understand love, until the day arrives where you no longer need us. No, you were the best thing that's ever happened to us. She said I'd wait, I said I'd stay, as long as you marry me. I said maybe you'll come with me, and we'll start a family.